Lost your physical debit card but need the number right now? No problem, let's get that info in seconds directly from the Wells Fargo app. First, locate and open the Wells Fargo mobile app on your phone. Make sure you are already logged in. Once you're logged in, you should see your account summary. Find the checking account associated with the debit card you need the number for, and tap on it. This will bring you to the account details page. Now look for a menu icon, which might appear as 3 dots or 3 lines, usually located in the top right corner or at the bottom of the screen. Tap on it. A menu should appear. Look for an option that says something like Show Card Number, Reveal Card Number, or Manage Card. Tap on that option. For security reasons, Wells Fargo will likely ask you to verify your identity. This might involve using your fingerprint, facial recognition, or entering a one-time passcode sent to your phone or email. Complete the verification process. After successful verification, your full debit card number, expiration date, and CVV code will be displayed on the screen. Make sure you are in a secure location and avoid taking screenshots or writing down the information where others can see it. That's it, you're all set.